In buildings across the country, boiler rooms are starting to get smaller and less crowded. That's because modern commercial water heating options are shrinking in size by heating water on demand. With no bulky storage tank, these compact tankless units can be wall-mounted, freestanding, or even moved outside, freeing up space for other services. And because they're improving in efficiency, businesses are achieving significant space savings and energy savings in both retrofit and new construction options. These savings are critical because water heating is a major energy user in many buildings, and especially in certain building types. It's a particularly big energy user in old buildings. In fact, nearly 80% of water heating energy use occurs in buildings built before the year 2000. As buildings and their water heating systems age, current water heating technology, especially tankless water heating systems, can offer big improvements in terms of performance, energy use, and energy costs. Tankless water heating systems heat water only when it's called for, so they avoid the excessive energy use of storing and heating large volumes of hot water. In fact, Energy Star-rated tankless water heaters have the potential to use 25% less energy than a conventional commercial water heater. Here's how they work. Instead of storing water, tankless systems use a heat exchanger to heat water just as it's needed in a building. For example, when a guest turns on a shower in a hotel, a propane or natural gas burner in the tankless unit quickly heats up the heat exchanger. In very high-efficiency models, incoming cold water is preheated from the combustion exhaust. Then the water continues to be heated as it passes through the unit's heat exchanger and exits from the tankless unit at the hot water outlet pipe, where it then flows to the shower to meet the hot water demand. While it's heating water, the tankless unit modulates its combustion to account for how much hot water is needed, so it reliably meets the desired temperature set point. That means tankless units are ideal for meeting a wide variety of hot water demands. And once the hot water demand is over, for example when the shower ends, the tankless unit stops its combustion and the unit is off until the next time hot water is needed. One of the most important benefits of using tankless technology in commercial buildings is this technology's flexibility to meet a wide range of load types. Many commercial tankless systems are modular, so individual tankless units can be combined to create a larger system, offering a wide range of capacity and hot water output. In many commercial tankless systems, the capacity of an individual tankless unit is roughly 199,000 BTUs. Today, individual on-demand water heaters are available in capacities up to 3 million BTUs. And by combining these units in larger configurations, tankless arrays can provide hot water output rates of several hundred gallons per minute. The big advantage of these systems is that they remain very efficient even when they're running at less than full capacity. Whereas a storage tank system has to be designed for a building's peak load and keep a full tank constantly heated, a tankless system can rely on just a portion of the tankless units during off-peak times. As the hot water demand increases, the tankless water heater can increase its combustion rate. When demand gets even higher, the system controller will turn on another tankless unit and share the demand across both units. Whether a building is a hotel, a restaurant, a school, or a brewery, building owners and operators need to maximize space to provide key functions and services. And the days of giant boiler rooms are over. Because they don't store water, tankless water heaters are very compact, and commercial tankless arrays can be freestanding, wall-mounted, installed in corner layouts, or even located outside of the building. They can even be integrated with a storage tank for easy replacements of old tank-style water heaters. Propane and gas tankless water heaters require venting to exhaust combustion gases, and manufacturers offer a variety of venting innovations to simplify installation. For example, multiple units can use a common vent system that reduces space needs, labor and materials, and building penetrations. For some direct vent systems, concentric piping allows for a single pipe to exhaust the combustion gases out of the building and introduce the combustion air into the tankless unit. High-efficiency tankless water heaters are widely available. The AHRI directory lists over 100 commercial tankless models with a thermal efficiency of 94% or higher. And nearly all tankless water heaters designed for natural gas can be easily configured for propane. Going with high-efficiency tankless water heaters can help you qualify for LEED certification as well. Tankless models can make a major contribution to energy savings through the program's energy modeling option, or easily meet the program's compliance option. which requires at least a 95% efficient unit. If your building already has propane or natural gas available, your energy source won't be an issue. But in other scenarios, adding propane as an energy source might be a design consideration. To learn more about adding propane to a building, visit Propane.com to access our Build with Propane Commercial Guide and the Ultimate Guide to Commercial Propane Applications. You can also access our 2-part Ultimate Guide to Tankless Water Heaters, which has even more details about installing and optimizing tankless units. And visit PropaneTrainingAcademy.com to take our training course, Propane Tankless Water Heating and Commercial Building Applications. For more information about building high-performing, energy-efficient buildings with propane, visit Propane.com or call the Propane Education and Research Council.